Hi, I'm Seamus Campbell. I'm running a workshop for Startup and Innovation Tablelands this Saturday, the 6th, on automating your business. Now, I've got with me Graeme Tudor, who has registered for the workshop, and he's got a couple of curly questions for me, I hope, or not hope.
Hi, Seamus. Graeme Tudor here. Seamus, I'm really keen on this workshop, and I do have a couple of questions just to preempt my attendance, if you like. Um, the first question is, Seamus, what can I automate with social media, with my social media? It
Yeah,
sounds like that for me, that's a curly issue.
yeah. One thing you can't automate is actually creating your post, because that's from the human brain, which is really good at creating stuff. Computers aren't that good at creating stuff. However, they are good at remembering stuff and moving data into a format that is useful for you. So one of the best things you can do is create a content calendar, and we'll briefly do that at this workshop. I'll give you an example, a template that you can use, that you can take away and start immediately from this workshop. And one of the things you can do with that is it's easy then to repurpose your content, which is one of the key items for social media. So we'll talk more about that at the workshop.
Thank you, Seamus. And one of the other issues that I have, Seamus, is I've always had problems embedding or putting images into my posts. Will you be able to cover that in the workshop?
In fact, we've got two solutions for that. And I will keep them a secret until the workshop, but that's a common problem, and I've got two solutions for it.